we divide 169 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we got 0. So now we bring down the number beside this 9 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we got 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal and we take 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 169 divided by 2 we got 84.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.